Right, here we have a 392 Athena kit going out this week, and there's quite a bit to this, so I thought it would be a really good one to show you. The customer's actually doing this one themselves, we're just supplying the parts. It's the 392 Athena Banshee kit. They're making it a 421, so we've got the other pistons in that box. Again, the hot rods crank that we supply all the time, we had great luck with them, so that goes out. Our Mad Biker short crossover manifold, that goes with it. That will be paired over here with some V44 reed blocks, and also these Cayenne short body 38 PWKs. These ones here, as you can see, much shorter than the traditional PWKs for better throttle response. So that'd be good. That'd be good to be going on that and giving that a try, because they're not as popular at the moment as the long ones. Back to here, we've got a few spare base gaskets. Again, that gives the customer the option to shim the barrel to get the port timing right. Our longer first gear, it's so short, the first gear on the bike, so this just helps it be less wheelie prone in first. But rest assured, it will still wheelie quite easy, this one, once it's done. Our Mad Biker seal kit, again, Japanese made seals, brilliant seal. Basically, if you're buying genuine, you're paying too much. These ones are really the ones to go for. We've got here clutch pusher as a bit of safety. It's the amount of times that we've been phoned after someone's welded their clutch up and said, have you got a pusher? I mean, for 25 quid, it's just a bit of insurance, and you don't have to split the engine again and get all the try and unweld everything after it's gone wrong with a standard one. And to set this all off, the titanium, all race spec titanium, as you can see there, barrel bolts, head bolts. Again, that's for most of the engine there. And you know, if you're building a special, you want it to look a bit special at the end, don't you? So this will definitely fit that bill. It will not only go very well, but it will also look very good. So yeah, that's one of our kits going out this week.